Good morning, India. Hi, this is Anchal on Spotify with Taza Talks. So, today is the season India's Taza Talks podcast, Kids podcast on Spotify, Global India, season number one. And today we are welcoming our esteemed guest. Her name is Mansa and she's 14 years old. So, welcome, Mansa, on Taza Talks Spotify podcast.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm doing fine, ma'am. Thanks for asking.
So, Manasa, tell us about yourself.
Well, my name is Manasa. I'm 14 years old. I study in grade 9. I currently live in Bangalore, and my hobbies include dance and public speaking.
Okay, wonderful. So, Manasa, if I talk about your passion, right? So, what is your interest and why?
I really love dance. I have always loved dance from an young age, and I've learned classical dance for a very long time, for 10 years actually. I learned Bharatanatyam.
Okay. तो आपने कहीं परफॉर्मेंस किया है, परफॉर्म किया है किसी स्टेज पे, किसी रियलिटी शो में?
I can't say I've performed in a reality show, but I've performed in many temples and auditoriums. Even in my school annual days, I always perform.
Okay, okay, wonderful, wonderful. So, Manasa, if I talk about your favorite books, so share some thoughts on your favorite books.
My favorite book is Inheritance Games by Jennifer Lynn Barnes. It's a mystery book, and I think it's a must read for a teenager, definitely. It is a very interesting book.
Okay. So, the art of journaling. Can you give some tips of expressing your writing through your thoughts and your expressions?
Can you be more specific, ma'am?
Okay. The art of journaling, like, can you share some thoughts about the books?
The books that we read, ma'am?
Yeah.
I think one must really read books because it improves our knowledge and vocabularies. It's also very interesting way to find out new stories and new cultures and many different things.
Okay. So, Manasa, how these books reflect or challenges social norms to the teens?
Um, Ma'am, the book that I have given,
Yeah.
um, I don't think it has any reflection on social norms as such. It is actually about a mystery story about a millionaire in Texas.
Huh? So, do you have any favorite show as well?
Um, I really like this Disney show called Wizards of Waverly Place. I think it is a very interesting show, and it talks about magic and wizards. It's a really kiddish show, but I really like it.
Okay. So, if you could travel anywhere in the world, where would it be and why?
Um, Waitomo Caves, New Zealand would definitely be on the top of my bucket list. It is an underground cave where it is filled with millions of tiny maggots and worms which glow up. I think it would be a really surreal experience. Being an adventure lover and a big daydreamer, it would be something out of a fairy tale.
Oh, you wanted to go alone or accompany with someone?
Definitely with my friends or family.
Okay, fine. So, is there a subject you find challenging and how do you approach it?
Well, I've grown up in South India, so Hindi is a very challenging subject for me actually. And both my parents don't have any formal education, and Hindi being my second language makes it very hard to cope up with. So I think a method that has really helped me is just by watching movies on OTT platforms, and I read the subtitle and it makes me understand the language better.
So do you
Uh,
watch Hindi movies
yeah,
as well?
yes.
Okay. So latest any movie?
I think I really like 12th Fail, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's a wonderful movie. And आपको समझ में आया?
Little, little, ma'am.
Because that's a very typical Hindi, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, so, what do you want to achieve by the end of the school year?
Well, like any typical school kid, I my marks really matter a lot to me, and especially being in ninth grade, percentage is very crucial for the next year, and it determines our whole future. So I really want to get a better
Yeah,
percentage.
it's board, I believe.
Yes,
But next year. So, Manasa, how do you handle disagreements with friends or classmates?
I personally feel that conversations are a really important part of any kind of relationship as such, be it with your parents or siblings or anybody. It's always easier to talk to the other person than push your feelings down, and that method has worked for me several times.
Awesome. Sounds good. So, do you prefer having a small group of close friends or a large group of acquaintances?
Though everyone is an attention seeker, I really prefer a small group of close friends. It's always better to have companions than just company.
Oh, what's the name of your best friend? Your bestie?
I have two actually. Their names are Neha and Shreya.
Fun. Right. So, who is in your family inspires you the most and why?
Well, my great uncle inspires me the most because I really want to pursue law, and he's one of the most successful corporate lawyers that I know. He always taught me that sometimes taking risk is gives us a better result. In rather than choosing the normal government income job, he took a risky decision and he opened up his law firm, which is very uncertain actually. And he often used to tell me that sometimes the road less taken gives us a more beautiful view.
You wanted to law, want to pursue a law, right? आजकल बहुत बच्चे लॉ ही करना चाह. So, what's a tradition or family activity you love to participate in?
Well, Diwali celebrations are a really festive time both in India and in my family. My
You celebrate Diwali?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Well, my whole family get together, and I really love making sweets with my mother or shopping with my grandparents. And I also love decorating the house with lights with my father. But my most favorite thing about Diwali is that I get to see my family. We all get together.
very nice. What do you value most about your family?
Our togetherness. We always stay for each other no matter what. In fact, our parents always ask me and my brother before making any important decision, and that makes us feel heard. It emulates a positive vibe around us.
Or how do you like to celebrate your birthday? With
Um,
family or friends?
I like to celebrate it with both. I can't really choose between. I say my family maybe. We always start the day by doing prayers or visit a nearby temple or a mandir. I really love that doing that with my family.
What's a life lesson learned from someone close? Answer.
I think one thing that my grandfather has always taught me is to be calm in certain situation when you're dealing with people you really care about.
Because वो हर घर में.
Yes, ma'am.
You're blessed. So if you were to create a piece of art, what would it about?
Um, Nature is a really inspiring thing to create a piece of art about. It gives us very surreal experiences, and it's kind of funny how our cameras don't catch the beauty of nature that our eyes see, like a sunset from a hilltop view or a starry night. So, nature would be a really inspiring thing to make an art.
So I think love, like, fairy nights and sunset and sunrise technique.
Yes, ma'am.
Have an angelic feel. If I talk about stressful situations, so how do you handle at times?
Um, like I said before, conversations are a very important part of any relationship. And me being a very communicative and an open person, I like to talk to people about how I feel, and it makes me feel better.
Awesome. So, Marisa, what is a mistake you have made and what did you learn from it?
A mistake that feel that I have made is when I was young, I used to attend music classes and I thought I was not getting any further, so I abruptly stopped it. I think if I had been a little more patient, maybe I would have gone to a higher level or advanced further. It taught me that I should be a little more patient when I'm waiting for something that I want.
So, Marisa, what makes you happy when you're feeling down?
Those short car rides with my dad just instantly brings my mood up. He usually takes me on a car ride and then we go out to get ice cream, and I instantly feel happy after that.
Ice. You like ice creams.
Yes, ma'am.
So, according to you, how do you define success?
Um, for me, the definition of success is happiness and freedom. I would really love to live life on my own terms. I want to be an independent person. I want to be who I want to be and do the things that I want to do. And I would just love to wake up every morning doing the things that I'm really passionate about.
Okay. So, Manasa, if I talk about superpower, if you have any superpower, if you could have, right, for a day, so what will you do with that?
I would really love to have the ability to time travel, and I'm a bookworm, so I think I would love to know how it is to live in the Victorian time period or being an artist in France 1800s. Would be a different experience.
Okay. And the other part, on the other part, if you are invisible for a day, then what will you do? Honest
Um,
answer.
I guess I'm a huge 50, so I would really like to know how it is to look at her close. And I would definitely attend one of her concerts. And it would be really different to see how a celebrity lives and looks close by.
Okay. And again, if you could swap lives with anyone for a day, then who would be and why?
This is actually a really difficult question for me. I can't think of anyone else that I'd rather be because I'm really comfortable being myself and I love my life just the way it is.
Great. Sounds good. So, Mansa, who is your ideal?
My idol. Um, my idol is Ratan Tata. I'm sure everybody knows him. I think he's a very dedicated and successful industrialist. Maybe one day I want to be like him.
Wow, sounds good. Very, very interesting thoughts and mindset, right? तो मानसा, इफ आई से कि आप अपने जैसा बच्चों को, अपने जैसे टीनेजर्स को जस्ट गिव मैसेज फ्रॉम योर साइड, सो व्हाट वुड इट बी?
Um, I think, like my grandfather taught me, the one thing I would like to tell everybody is be patient. Whether it is waiting for your desired result, whether it is waiting for success, or being patient with people you care about when you have arguments, it is very important to wait for things to happen because it doesn't happen all of a sudden, it doesn't happen in one moment.
Great. So, Manasa, are you on social gram, Facebook?
Not really, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So, uh, thank you very much, Mansa. You come up with your thoughts on Taza Talks Studio. Thank you very much for participating in this podcast, Global India Season 1. Thank you so very much. And definitely, very soon it will be released and we'll share the links with. Thank you so very much.
Thank you for having me, ma'am. I had a great time.
थैंक यू सो मच। तो व्यूअर्स, ये है हमारे बीच में, आपने सुना इनको। तो मानसा का जैसे ही लिंक एपिसोड रिलीज होता है, डेफिनेटली इट बी शेयर सोशल मीडिया डिजिटली एंड प्लीज लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए एंड डेफिनेटली बूस्ट हर एंड गॉड ब्लेस हर। थैंक यू सो वेरी मच। थैंक यू मानसा।
Thank you, ma'am.